feeling stressed or anxious, in just a few minutes you can relax your body and calm your mind with simple breathing exercises. Science shows that the way you breathe directly impacts your stress level. Today I'm going to demonstrate a powerful breathing techniques to release your stress, reduce your anxiety, and bring you instant calm anywhere, anytime. Let's breathe together and reset your mind. The first exercise is box breathing. In this one, what we're going to do, we are going to inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and again hold for 4 seconds. So it's just we're making the imaginary box. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4 and hold 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just the box. So I will demonstrate while breathing. So what you're going to do, sit straight, relax your body now. And relax. So you can do it on my count. You can relax yourself. Now inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. So you can go for at least 3 repetitions. The next exercise is post sleep breathing. Now when you're doing these exercises, you don't have to do both of them together. Just pick one which works best for you and you can continue doing the same. For this one, you're going to sit straight, relax your body. Now we are going to do diaphragmatic breathing first and do post sleep when we're exhaling. So what is post sleep? It's just like how the way you blow the candle. The same way we are going to exhale. Now when we are exhaling, we'll exhale for at least 8 seconds. So what you're going to do, keep one hand on your abdomen and one hand on your chest. Now when you inhale, your stomach should come out and your chest should not move. So and relax. Now you can do it on my count. Relax yourself. Keep your one hand on an abdomen and one hand on your chest. Inhale for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And relax. If you're not able to exhale for 8 seconds, because it can be really challenging, you can start with 5 seconds or 6 seconds, however you're comfortable with, and then progress till 8 seconds. Go for at least 3 repetitions. I hope you feel better with these exercises and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.